Here are dual Two McQuay air conditioners at my clinic. It's a very quiet air conditioner, or it's very loud. McQuay air conditioning. It's faded, but it's just an old air conditioner. I can't memorize the I believe this is from 1997. Suction line is cold and sweaty, and liquid line is cold and sweaty. Here's the other one. It's very quiet, and this is faded too. I believe they're both from 1997. So your peripheral filter, and I can't even memorize the model number too because it's faded. The suction line is cold and sweaty, and liquid line is cold and sweaty. So thanks for watching.